What's up? What's up? Good morning. How we doing? Let's see. Hold on. Let me get this all sent out and we are ready to go. Good morning. Let's see. Live. I have a tweet that is absolutely blowing up right now. The tweet has, how many likes this thing got? 1,109. That thing literally just exploded. Anyways, yesterday was quite the day. Like, I took a lot more trades than I typically like to. There was just a lot of opportunity yesterday, in my opinion. But yeah, I got a nice little, using the tick off the open on QQQ. That was beautiful. Nice little scalp to the upside. Then we ended up taking puts. Actually puts a couple of times. And then I tried to bounce and then got stopped out for a small loss on the bounce. Still holding my full QQQ put position for January. That's up almost 1.5K currently. So still holding that. And yeah, we're going to see what we get in the market. But let me get live on TikTok and then we will roll for the day. How was everybody's day yesterday? You guys make money, lose money, get chopped up? Let me know in the chat. Let's see. But yeah, we were pretty spot on with the market dropping. Like I said, everything looked kind of weak. We just had to be a little cautious because, you know, we were overextended. Now we're super overextended. So now we got to be even more careful. But I do think we can still drop. We have that 1 hour squeeze on SPY. If we get above 414.88, it's going to fire up. Below 413.35, it's going to fire down. We got the gap fill yesterday. We'll see. We shall see. Hold on. It's live on the TikTok, baby. And let me make it so you can see the screen. And again, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. If you're not subscribed, make sure to do so. Let's see, go live. Bingo. Yeah, so if you guys could, make sure to click the like button, 150 likes. You guys get the watch list. Let's see. For buying puts when you saw it. That's typically what happens. Those puts printed, though. We literally top ticked those puts. So yesterday, we ended up taking puts on SPY. I specifically said in the chat, I'm looking for a reject at 416.47. There was a lot of confluence in that area. So we had the 8-minute EMA on the 5-minute, plus we had the 61.8% retracement on the 1-minute. So tons of confluence in one area, high probability setup, stop loss right above here. Boom. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, sometimes you got to go with the trend. That's exactly what happened yesterday. And speaking of the put to call ratio, let's actually look at that. Good morning, everybody. Oh, so we're up there. We're really up there. Okay. Be a little careful with this today. We did open 1.26. That's crazy. Anyways. So again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. Let's make the watch list and let's hop right into it. So, let's see what was on the weekly watch list. So, unfortunately, I did not get into AstraZeneca yesterday. I am looking for an entry. I just don't like how it exploded in the morning. So, I'm going to be looking for a different entry on that. Still going to keep that one on watch. Apple, that looks super weak. Take a look at that. All right, so we got Apple squeezing on the 1 hour. Came right down and hit that quarterly support to a penny yesterday. I gave you guys this level on Sunday for Apple. 167.13. Or actually, it missed by 1 penny. These persons pivots, they don't play. But let's see. Apple, not too interested. Don't really care about it. Then we have Amazon. How we all doing today, though? We got 150 people in the YouTube live stream. We got 15 people in the TikTok. That's really not too much. But let's see. Amazon, I'd be interested below. If we get below yesterday's low at 132.9, I'd be interested. Again, we are pretty overextended to the downside. Maybe we can reject around like 134.6. So we'll look for that. Amazon. Good. That's what I like to hear. Hope everybody's doing good. I know Netflix broke down. HD broke down as well. Be interested in Netflix if we got below. I don't even know if there's liquidity in this thing. Hold up. There is. That's actually shocking that there's liquidity. 224.50, maybe a reject 229.50. So we'll put Netflix on the list. What's up, people over here on TikTok? We got 100 people up in here. In case you guys didn't know, I go live every single morning at 8:15 a.m. Eastern Time and give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. So if you guys are not following yet, make sure to do so. Nvidia hit the level that I gave you guys over the weekend, 169.5, and then we bounced there. Remember, that's that daily 50 SMA. We do have earnings, maybe a reject 172.54 on Nvidia, or a crack below that 50 SMA. I'd be interested in. Put to call ratio is pretty much at 1 right now, so we got to be careful about that. Qualcomm looks like it's breaking below the trend line. Don't care. SYY looking for the swing. No entry yet. And then honestly, I would say Exxon is probably one of my favorite swing setups right now. We just got to be patient and wait for the entry. Actually, Exxon looks really good for a day trade as well. Doesn't look bad. And there's liquidity. All right. Exxon it is. Hey, yes, E-Machine. In case you guys in the TikTok did not know, my new trading ebook, The New Age of Technical Analysis, is officially on Amazon. This thing is 450 pages. Spent an entire year writing this book. So if you guys want it, head on over to Amazon, type in The New Age of Technical Analysis, and you guys can cop your book right there. Anyways. Basically with the put to call ratio, if there's too many puts in the market, there's nobody else left to buy puts. So what ends up happening, people end up cashing out on their puts, and then the people who chase the puts end up getting stopped out. As a result, both of them become buyers, and then there's normal buyers coming in. So then you see a short squeeze. It's pretty much what the put to call ratio tells you. Anyways, looking at the squeeze-o-meter. Apple squeezing 1 hour 30-minute. We have a 4-hour squeeze on Baba. We actually have a lot of 1-hour squeezes. You're joining BBC today. Brandon's book club. I appreciate it. Anyways. Apple, we already looked at that. Not too interested. AMD. I'd be interested around 92. Maybe a reject at 93.57. Put that on the list. Again, if you guys are in the YouTube live stream, make sure to click that like button. We got 185 people in here, 80 likes. Run it up to 150 likes. That's when you guys get the watch list. Let's see. We looked at Amazon. Nah, Brandon's book club for life. BBC. You either join the BBC club or you don't. Yeah, if you guys get the if you get the hard copy of the book or even the ebook, you just got to send me a screenshot on Instagram and I'll invite you guys to the book Discord. I gotta upload those trade recaps in there. Let's see, Baba. I personally think that Baba squeeze fires down, but it's got really strong support right here on the daily, so I don't really care about it. Coin don't care about. Costco don't care about. GME slaughtered. Google. Actually, Google did good yesterday as well. It hit that price target. Google below, yeah, or pre-market low 113.8. I'll look for puts. Google. Yeah. You caught me. Just don't tell my fiance. She'll be mad. 162.26. Don't care about Meta. Then we have Microsoft 30-minute squeeze. I mean, the bottom looks ready to fall out of Microsoft. That looks super weak. 279.58 rejection, 277 break below. Watch that. See, the only issue is also, it seems like every time I end up only watching puts, the market pumps. So, use that to your advantage. Google, or not Google, QQQ's got a 1 hour squeeze. But yeah, I think we talked about this. Break above or break below. Gonna watch both waves on QQQ. How we doing over here on the TikTok live? How y'all doing? Roku's in a 1 hour squeeze. Don't care about that. Shopify, 1 hour squeeze. Don't care. SPY, we already talked about the SPY 1 hour squeeze. You can't really trade CRWD. Not enough liquidity. It actually kind of looks like on SPY we're doing a little bull flag. Let's watch that. SPY. Yeah, today's going to be a day I'll probably watch both sides. And then Tesla splits. Is that tomorrow? No, in 2 days. Tesla. Actually, Tesla doesn't look bad above pre-market highs. 879.8. Perfect. So, pretty big list today. We got Amazon, Netflix, Nvidia, Exxon, AMD, Google, Microsoft, QQQ, SPY, and Tesla. So again, if you guys are in the YouTube live stream, make sure to click that like button. We got 194 people in here and only 112 likes. So make sure you guys are clicking the like button. But let's narrow this list, see what we like. Start with Amazon. Find our top 3, top 4 stocks, and then we'll go from there. Let's see, Amazon I'll come back to. I think Netflix looks really weak. Let's see, that's not the screen I want. That's the screen I want. Perfect. So, I mean, if Netflix cracks 219 or 224.59, we have room to 219.32. So I like that setup. Then we had Nvidia. Bouncing right at that 50-day SMA. Yeah, literally right at it. Where is it at today? 169.3 is a new level. So, Nvidia, I don't think I'm going to be interested in this. It's up 7% or 8%, one of the two. I said it yesterday in the chat. 7 or 8%. I mean, we really don't have too much room on Nvidia to the downside, so I'm just going to eliminate that. Boom. Exxon. Honestly, I think if Exxon breaks that trend line, it can go. We just got to be careful about that 95.3. Yeah, I'm telling you, I'm going to get that GTR. I could go buy it right now, but I'm going to work for it. Plus, the used car market is stupid right now. So I'm not about to drop 120 grand on a GTR with 75K miles. No way. So I'll build up the account right now, wait for the used car market to come down, and then boom, I'll buy myself a GTR. Easy peasy. So if we are looking for the break of 90, I mean, we could scalp 30 cents. Not bad. But then we got that daily pivot. Okay, so eliminate Exxon. I did like it, but too much resistance. Don't really care about that. Boom. Take off Exxon. Right now, we are just doing process of elimination. Go to AMD. That just come out. Apparently, there's like a huge bubble in the used car market. Huge. Looks like AMD is currently in the process of forming that inverse head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, maybe we dip back down to like 84, 83, and then we bounce from there. But AMD, I'm interested around 92, so we'll keep that on the list for now. Google. Clean this chart. Google, nice 1 hour squeeze. Look for the break below 113.8. 113.9 is the 50 SMA. 113.36. 112.79. 113.36. 112.79. Yeah, it doesn't make sense. 112.79, and then let's see. We got some room after that. Boom. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button up in the YouTube live stream. It would be greatly appreciated. 204 people in here and 133 likes. Run it up to 150. I'll be happy. You guys get the watch list. Alrighty, good old Google. We do have some support right there. Looks like we have an area right around here. Look at the daily. Is there anything? We have an area right there. Right there. Bingo. I like Google if it doesn't break. It's super close. So we'll keep that on the side. We'll come back to it. Looks really good for a downside move. And then we had Microsoft, which looked like the bottom was ready to fall out. So that looks super weak below 277. Let's see. EMAs, SMAs. We have the 55 EMA at 274.33. Boom. 274.33. We're looking for the break at 277. 100 SMA is at 272.58. There's that. Let's see where the daily pivots are at. We got room to the downside as well. Beautiful. 273.9. And then we could look for a possible reject at 279.50. All right, let's put Microsoft on the list. I like this one. It's got a lot of room down if it breaks. Plus, it has that 30-minute squeeze. Cool. How we doing over here on the TikTok? What's up? Bingo. All right, let's see. Did I not go bearish literally at the dead top? Can somebody confirm this in the chat? We got 254 people up in here, baby. Let's go. We got a lot of people up in the YouTube live stream today. How we all doing? In case you guys did not know, I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time, and give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. So if you guys are not subscribed and not joining in the morning, you are completely missing out. So make sure you guys join up. Anyways, Microsoft. Let's see, looking pretty weak. Plus a 30-minute squeeze. Looking to fire down. Yeah, dead top. Also tying the bottom. Did I not go on like a 3-day rant about the huge divergence we saw on SPY and QQQ simply looking at the stochastic? And then what happened? The market rallied all the way up to where it was last week. And then we nailed the dead top. Crazy. Looking pretty weak. Plus a 30-minute squeeze. Looking to fire down. Let's see. Looking for a break below 277 for puts. Yeah, I specifically put out on Twitter that I was adding QQQ January puts. And what's crazy is me, GD, and Grizzly literally talked about this. I wanted to put 10 to 20K into these puts because I had a lot of confirmation that the market was going to pull back. Unfortunately, I didn't get to put that much in. And, you know, if I did, I would be banking right now. But I got my 3 contracts of the January 300 puts. And I'm over, I like my profits. But it would have been much better if I got my full position. Looking for a break below 2774 puts. Price target equal 274.33. I literally have all the text messages saying this to Grizzly and GD too, which is crazy. 272.58. GD got his puts though. GD printed. Because when I go such a heavy size like what I wanted to do, I'd rather add to my position than go all in at once. Because with a trade like that, the market could have still continued to go up and I would have been getting railed. That's why I went in small size with the intention of adding. I just unfortunately never got the opportunity to add to my position. The puts were up 45% yesterday. So I'm not going to add to my position down here. There's no point. I would have only added if QQQ continued to go up in price. Anyways. Price target 272.58 or looking for a reject at 279.5. Bingo. There's Microsoft. I like that. That looks really good. Like the last time I shorted the market, the overall market, was SPY. I'll show you exactly where I did it. This I was able to size into my position, which is what I wanted. So if we go on over here, this doji right here, I was adding to my puts as the market continued to go up. I just had, this feeling that the market was going to pull back. And then once we got this doji right here, because initially I was red. So this gave me the opportunity to size into my position. And then the market pulled back. I was all out this day right here. Insane trade. But with this one, as you can see, I didn't get that opportunity because I entered, I think it was this day right here. On, or not on SPY, QQQ. But that day right there anyways. So, didn't get the opportunity to size into the position. I wish I did. But, SPY, I like that to the downside. We did talk about Tesla. I think I might put that on the long list today because that doesn't look bad. 879.8, baby. We got the 879.8, 200 SMA, 902.2. See what the daily pivots say. Yeah, I mean, if we crack, I like Tesla to the upside. 900. Yeah, I'm only interested in the upside on Tesla. I don't really care about the puts. Honestly, I really don't have much price targets until 900. So, hey, you sent me some popcorn. Thank you. I don't even know what popcorn is on TikTok, but hey, I appreciate it. Tesla, interested if it breaks above 880 for calls. I have no resistance until 900, but be careful and trim as it goes in your favor. Bingo. There's Tesla. What else we got? All right, let's go back to the top of the list. Amazon. I'll see a little closer to market open with Amazon. Let's see, Netflix. And real quick, for everybody in the live stream, in case you guys did not know, my trading ebook, The New Age of Technical Analysis, is officially on Amazon. So if you guys want to cop the book, there's the link right there. If you guys want a signed copy, you got to DM me personally so we can set that up. I have a shipment of 15 books coming through, so just let me know. And then other than that, if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, have any of my affiliate links for TTM Squeeze, Interactive Brokers, Bookmap, etc., join the Discord. You can use this link right there. Anyways, let's continue to find what we like today. Netflix, don't really care unless we get down below here. So, Netflix, take that off. AMD. Really interested in 92 on AMD. Let's see, 50 SMA, 88.42. What did the pivot say? 90.75. Come on, whatever. 90.74 is good enough. Could see 90.75, and then let's see what else we got. Looks like we have a level over here. $91.27. Possible reject. I do. I have a video on my Interactive Brokers setup. I have another Interactive Brokers video coming out today. Actually, looks like AMD had a little breakout. We'll see. We'll see with that. We shall come back to AMD, but my opinion still looks very weak. So AMD, Google. I think Google looked really good to the downside. Yes, below 113.8. Three. Slightly broke below the level, nothing too alarming. Look for reject, 114.89. Not a bad scalp, like a 40-cent scalp. Break below there, we have a lot more room. So, let's see, Google. I still use ThinkorSwim. I like to have multiple brokers. Google. Looking for the break below 113.734 puts. Price target equal 113.36. Beautiful 30-minute squeeze, 112.79. $112.08. Beautiful. Boom, there's that. And then Microsoft. Did we put Microsoft on the list? Yeah, we did. Might be QQQ and SPY, other than that. Got the nice 1 hour squeeze. I kind of want to see how that plays out. QQQ, SPY. Yeah, I'll watch QQQ and SPY for the other two. So just using Uncle's levels. But for now, what do we got? We got Microsoft, Tesla, and Google. Other than that, watching SPY and QQQ. Both have 1 hour squeezes. Beautiful. So if you guys are in Team Bull, make sure to react to those setups right there. But anyways, are we at 150 likes on the YouTube? Yes, we are. 162. So again, before I drop the watch list real quick, in case you guys did not know, my new trading ebook, The New Age of Technical Analysis, is officially on Amazon. So if you guys want a copy, bang, there you go. Don't listen to the hedge funds that put out stuff like that. It's garbage. Don't even pay attention to it. That's like JP Morgan telling people to buy the dip 4 or 5 times and the market's done tanked way past where they said buy the dip. Don't even listen to them. Pay attention to the technicals. Barclays, however you say it, they're full of crap. Don't even listen. Anyways, let's drop the watch list. Uncle is in Team Bull. So if you want Uncle's levels, you gotta join Team Bull. He gives SPX and QQQ levels every single day. Microsoft, Tesla, and Google. And then obviously SPY and QQQ. Both have 1 hour squeezes. So as always, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence. Make sure to use your own proper risk management. And make sure you guys are subscribed. We're super close to, I think it's 27K on YouTube. Let's see. Yep, we're super close to 27K. And if you guys didn't see, your boy got verified on YouTube. So make sure you guys are subscribed. Let's run it up. I'll be live again tomorrow, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. Trade safe, trade smart, and I will talk to everybody tomorrow. Peace.